Station is in Musafir Khan.
Yes.
Nizam Musafir Khan. Okay. It is given to police department afterwards. Now it is Roja police station. 98 masjids were there in police station, including Shias. Sunni, Shias, Tabligh, Ahledis, Jamaat Sunnis. हर तो मैं खड़ा होकर बयान करता था उधर.
During the time of Ramzan, we help serve, and during the time of Ganesha Chaturthi, Diwali, and we do blood camps and other things, help improve the society.
ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರ ಥರ ಸೌಜನ್ಯವು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
To the community is that I myself am a Hindu, but we are not divided by religion. We come here every day to serve people, help them break their fast and do their prayers. So we've organized food and whatever they need for about 1,000 people per day. So we just do that. To the community, I would just like to say that we are not divided by religion. Humanity comes first, then religion and everything else. So spread love, not hate. That's all I would like to say.
Okay, today you came here. How was it? The overall atmosphere, how was it for you?
It's very high actually. It's like high energy, lots of positive vibes, and everyone's praying. Everyone's, it doesn't feel like we're separated by religion. We're all like brothers here, and not just that. Me along with my Muslim brothers and Hindu brothers, during the time of Ramzan we help serve, and during the time of Ganesha Chaturthi, Diwali, and we do blood camps and other things, help improve the society, help others. So we try our best to do what we can.
ನಾವು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮು ಹಿಂದೂ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. 30-40 ನಾವು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಬರೆ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರ ಥರ ಸೌಜನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಏನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರ ಥರ ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 21-30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಏನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ.
Have any kind of a secular fabric in the total secular fabric within the any society today, that is lacking. Today we find people are trying to break within. We have Muslims trying to break Muslims. We forget the Hindus. But today we have a very strong alliance with the Hindu brothers here, with the Hindu association, with the Kannada Sangha, with temples. So by God's grace, we look forward to taking it forward. So we have made a little beginning, and I hope we take this further. Beginning is started about 10 years back when we started a center in Koramangala near the Sony World, where we set up a small prayer hall. And in the prayer hall, we could find that most of the volunteers who are there with us were non-Muslims. They used to come, they used to prepare the mosque ready for the prayers. This is the kind of journey that we started 10 years back, and we look forward to continuing the journey.
So do you think somewhere in our society, in our community, because the kind of hatred which has been getting spread, do you think it's going to affect? Because I'm sure you keep...
No, in this I would like to correct my own community members first, that we need to extend a hand to our brothers, that we all have to live together. Maybe there may be some fringe elements who are trying to break this, but God willing, we will make it stronger in future.
So it's a very beautiful concept what you had today, calling Hindu brothers for breaking fast and understanding. So
But
what's the message for
this is the first time it is being highlighted. This has been going on for the last 10 years. For last 10 years, we have Sehri program in Sony World Center. In Sony World Center, where we have early morning 4 o'clock, we have Hindu boys coming and serving the Muslim brothers. This is going on for last 10 years. We have not tried to highlight it, but today occasion demands that we need to highlight how strong our relationship is with the Hindu boys. The police department took the initiative of organizing an Iftar for the Muslim brothers of Koramangala. So they came forward. The officers do not want to be named because of certain reasons, but we pray for them. We want to see that these kind of officers support us in future. There are many good officers in service.
So, what's a message for other mosques in Bangalore or across?
They need to follow Masjid-E-Mamoor is what I can say. Inshallah, Masjid-E-Mamoor has made a beginning. Inshallah, we look forward to continuing the journey, and we want to see that the other mosques join with us. We will have a stronger alliance with all of us getting together. It's not only the mosques, I would want the temples also, the churches also to get together with us.